Good evening, guys. It's 4:18 p.m. Today is Friday, November 3rd. It's an NFP day today, 8:30 a.m. in the morning, right? So overall, it's an NFP day. 8:30 a.m. is the news time. So we will become neutral today because of NFP. We don't know what price is going to do. So far buyers are active, so it can continue to go higher or it can do a little bit pullback today. So. And that is what I am expecting it today, some down move, but we'll play both longs and shorts because you don't know, right, until NFP happens. So we will get both longs and short today. Preferred sellers and preferred buyers area, or aggressive buyers and aggressive sellers area may give us one trade, exit or entry. If indexes choose to go down during NFP or after then after then NQ is allowed to go on up to this levels, 807, 833, ES 4297, 4290. Okay, so if choose to go down, it is allowed to go up to this much, and then buyers have to defend it because overall entire week buying was going on, right? So it can go down, but only up to this point to keep the bullish structure up. Okay, these are the dream number, and let's go today. So there is not much trading today, so last and this entire week, I didn't trade too much because the way price was going higher, it's hard to justify the longs. So look at this. Since last Friday, this is a Monday, right? So one day gap up, it didn't even fill the gap, then went close higher. Here it opened little bit lower, but then higher. Here gap up, didn't fill the gap, went higher, right? Look at this, wide gap, didn't go down, came up, went up, again wide gap, went up. See, so it's hard to justify the longs here, so that's why you are seeing less trading from my side, and I'm not showing you all the trades. See, during day trading time frame I can trade, back and forth, but then I have to think about members also, right? So from risk reward perspective, there is no trade in ES at all. NQ, yes, the way it ping pongs, yes, you can trade NQ, but you have to be very specific, about the entries. So if you look at it here, since we are neutral, right, we can do both longs and shorts. But now during NFP, once you see this during NFP, right, now you have to assume buyers are there. Until it goes below this, buyers will be there. So no shorts, you can only take longs. Okay, now if you remember yesterday's end of the video, I said during NFP, this is a resistance. This box is a support. Say I draw this box yesterday, right, and I wanted to see price going above or below, right? If it goes below here, I'm more happy to short. Above this, I'm long. Okay, so during NFP, you can see it, price came straight up here. See this border, decision maker, preferred sellers area, right? This is during NFP, okay, not even RTH. Then during NFP, it pulled back little. Then right of the open, it opened here right into this area, do or die. It went up, came down, couldn't go lower, reverse back up, straight up. See, so now I know there are buyers right into this area. This is the decision maker area, preferred sellers area. Now this area can turn into support. That is what I said in Discord. Once price goes above this area, 40 to 60, this 40 to 60 area, it will turn into, buyers will do their everything to keep it above it, and then they will take the price all the way up to 15,500 or 400, So once it pulls back here, there was a long setup here, but only exit is, I would take it at 92, right here. 92 is the Discord level that I gave it, so 92 is the exit. Here 60 is the entry, 30 points, and you are done for the day. It's a Friday, so because now you see here, top of this border is also important because it's a backup sellers area, right? So you basically played bottom to top. Once it goes above it, buyers will be everywhere. They will try their best to keep it up, keep above it. So here you can see it went up, right? So from here it started, it didn't get rejection again, right? First time it did, second time it went through it. Now this entire area can act as a support, like this. So this area I gave it in Discord, so I pulled it out, this Discord message 1238. Now line in sand move up, right? Moved up. So basically buyers will have to now hold 140.63, 163 in NQ. If it pulls back after lunch, that will be the last pullback for them to hold, and then if it holds it, price will close higher and try to take 280 yellow line. Okay, so it will be the last pullback 140, 163 if it pulls back and holds it, right? Now you look here, 1238 I said after lunch, right? So this is 1238 right here at the top. See, remember I said when it goes higher they have to hold it, this area. This is basically 140 to 163, okay, this area. So actually here, this entire area, right? So here after this time when I typed it, right, then you can see this pullback straight down. See that? That was your long, because now it has to hold it, you know, because of this. So go long there, and now you can even target 280 depending on the time. Or if I were you, since anyway it's aggressive entries, all these are aggressive entry, even here aggressive entry, right? So the way I do it is stick with my 20, 30, 40 point, you know. So this high, good enough, 194 to 205, that is what I said, you know, which is in Discord I said 194 to 205. So that is the exit, 205 or 194, that's it, right? So if you do go long at 163, 160, you know, then it's a 30, 40 point, you know, and 30 point here, 70 point there, you know, and you're good, right? But that's it, you know. Now ES 67 was the long, which is right here, 64, 65, 67, you know, around same time as NQ. So when NQ pulled back right here, right, I was watching ES, I said 65, 67, you know, it has to hold it. It was holding it here, that's why there is a long here. Okay, once ES goes higher, right, now you know ES wants to go towards this round number 4400, you know. So when this pullback happened, right, around 130, you can see it, ES was also into this morning breakout area, see, similar area. So both were in sync, so you go long here also, you know. And that's pretty much it for today. Now tomorrow, Monday, right, see, this is like ridiculous price action, okay, because the way it's moving, it's not even pulling back of the open, right? So it will be difficult to justify this long higher and higher, right? So I will keep it neutral still until one trend down day. So Monday, Tuesday or Wednesday, I'm looking for a trend down day. Doesn't mean I have to short it, like, you know, see, people make mistakes usually. When I say trend down day, I'm looking for, usually it happens, you know. So right now I'm saying Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday without looking at the Sunday overnight price action, right? But I'm expecting either Monday, Tuesday or Wednesday trend down day. Now doesn't mean that Monday of the open, if you see a slight down one, you just short it and assume that it's a trend down day. See, price has to give you the reason to show you some signs that that trend day is going to happen. Then you can start shorting it after confirmation, okay? So I'll let you know, on Monday after looking at Sunday overnight. But that is what the expectation right now. I cannot justify higher price action up more. However, I know NQ wants to go here, but I can't justify these things. Gap up and go, gap up and go, gap up and go, 3 days in a row, 4 days in a row, right? So it needs a fallback, and that is what I'm looking for. Till then I will play longs like this after confirmation, and and still wait for shorts. That be all for today.